it a fish on or a skate on?
No, it's either fish or scallop. All right, come on. Good look at him, yeah. Got to be getting tired.
Now
He's come over this
now
side.
the wind
there.
picked
Okay,
up.
we'll push him back this way. Yeah, well, he's coming. He's going to the front. Well, he is right this bit.
Might be a damn shark.
That shark would have showed his colors already. It's probably a stingray.
Straight down, ain't he?
Probably. Come on, motherfucker.
Got some shoulders.
Oh, damn. He's a big one. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's
Oh, it's a shark. It's a shark. Damn.
Damn, that's a fucking big one.
Is that a damn mako? No, it's not a mako. Sand shark.
Get the damn camera out.
I got it.
Damn, that's a fucking nice one, boy.
Big sand shark.
They got a tip at the top that comes out of the way down.
Woo-wee.
Sand shark. Where's the knife?
Damn.
Knife right here.
I like to eat that.
Let me get
motherfucker.
close to the window. Honor, you got taking a picture of it? Hold on,
Yeah.
get him up here. Alright. Then I'm gonna reach down there to the. I'm gonna reach down there and cut the line. Yeah, hold on just a second.